Welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to close a tab with keyboard in Chrome. So guys, if you went to Google Chrome, close tab keyboard shortcut, so very easy. If you want to close this tab, so control key tab plus W, control key plus W, that is. If you want to close this tab, so control key plus W key tab, that is. If you want to this tab close, so very easy, control key plus W key, that is. Control key plus W key, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to close a tab with keyboard in Chrome, this is very quick and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.